In this lecture, we will walk through the SAP Support Portal. Now we know that an SAP system composed of different software and different components: SAP GUI, SAP kernel, database software, and SAP repositories. All patches of these components are downloaded from SAP support site, support.sap.com. Only the components that you are eligible to access could be downloaded. All these SAP components will have their own patch update schedule. Your job is to be aware of each new release, and then decide whether you should apply to your system or not. To download a new patch, there is a small tool called Download Manager, which helps you to administrate all the downloads, which will be useful when you need to download a lot of patch files. Okay, let's examine the SAP Support Portal. Let's go to the SAP Support site, support.sap.com. Once you get there, choose the Software Downloads icon. You will be prompted for a login ID and password, which should be provided by your SAP administrator. The first login ID is provided by SAP when you make the purchase. In software download, there are three categories. Installation and upgrade is the original software versions. Support packages refer to the patches after the original software is released, and the database refer to all the DBMS software. The first thing that need to do is to download the Download Manager to itself first. Just type Download Manager in the search area. There are two entries coming out. I choose the SAP Download Manager 3.1. Installation. There is one file available. I just double click on it to download the file. I need to type in the OSS ID and the password again. And after that, the download will begin. Actually, the Download Manager itself is a zip file. I need to extract the zip file. Extract the files. And then I drag into the folder. Actually, Download Manager is a small Java program. I just execute it. The first thing I need to do is to type in the user ID and the password again. The Download Manager is ready and we'll move on. I try to download some patches from the SAP support site. I choose Support Packages and Patches. I usually use alphabetical order to search for the file that I need. G is the SAP GUI software. The SAP GUI for Windows is available, so I choose it. There are two versions there. I choose the 7.6 core version. And then I choose the latest file, GUI760.exe. Then I press the download basket, add to it, and I go back to the Download Manager. After I re-input the password again, just wait a moment, my file is available for me to download. I click on the Download Selected Component button, and the file will start to be downloaded. And after a while, my file will be downloaded to my PC successfully, and then I can use it to patch my system. Let's summarize. It's our regular job to download all latest patches from the SAP Support Portal. We have taken a look at the basic function of the software download function, and also install the Download Manager, a small tool to help us administrate the download of all available patches from the portal. This marks the end of the introduction section. In next section, we will take a detailed look on how to apply patches for all the individual components.